GreatTastesMB.ca is your online source for over 300 tried and true recipes, full episodes on demand, and exclusive behind-the-scenes content, including features on Manitoba's farm families. Subscribe today.
We're introducing a brand new kind of toast to the party tonight. And of course, Manitoba Chicken is here, Gina Sunderland, and we're on to open-faced chicken and brie sandwiches. Of course, we've got our toast happening. So where do we begin? Of course, we begin with the chicken.
We begin with the chicken. So something I love to do, of course, is roast off lots of extra chicken so you can make great recipes like these chicken and brie toasts. We've done 3 different recipes. With this one, we're going to use sliced chicken. Our previous recipe was shredded chicken, and before that was cube chicken that we made into a classic chicken salad with a twist. So it's just so easy just to slice chicken breasts. You can have those, I like to chill them, and then they slice beautifully. For shredding, Des, you know what? I just take that chicken and I just start to pull it apart.
Rip it apart.
Yeah, and it just shreds beautifully. So
this is why you need to roast extra all the time or bake
exactly.
extra. This is the moment. This is what it's all about right here.
Yeah, perfect for these toasts. And then, of course, you can just cube for mashing into like a chicken salad.
Okay, so chicken.
All right.
Now what?
So I'm going to show you how easily these come together, and something we were talking about is how great these are to bring to like a party, right? Because you can bring all the ingredients.
It's not like you have to do it ahead of time. You can actually, and there's really not too many things.
So
you
simple.
Put them together there.
Yeah,
okay.
Assemble on site, pop in the oven for a few minutes. So we're gonna start out with half a cup of mayonnaise that I've infused with a clove of minced garlic. And I'm gonna get you to just start putting that on our toasted
There's
bread.
garlic in the mayo?
There is, yep.
Just when you thought mayo couldn't get any better.
Exactly.
Okay. So just I mean, I love a lot of mayo if I'm having a chicken.
I do too.
Anything.
I do too.
But so just sort of like that.
You are doing a perfect job.
Okay. Perfect.
Okay, and now I'm gonna start layering this. It's all about building these toasts. So we've got our roast chicken. I like to put about 3 or 4 slices on top.
I was going to ask you, I guess, like size of bread. I guess you could make these like really, really teeny weeny or cut them into little pieces if you wanted to sort of make more like, I guess, like little finger sandwiches or whatever.
Great idea. Sure, you could buy a baguette, you could toast that, and you'd have more like a little crostini style, and that is a super idea, Des. I love it. Perfect for if you're going to bring to a party. I mean, these are great for entertaining, and these are great for absolutely any time as well.
So this is great because, like, I could just sort of stop here as I think, oh,
Me too.
That's good.
Me too.
Chicken.
All right.
Garlic infused mayo.
Yes.
And beautiful, toasted bread.
Right.
But no.
No, we're not going to stop
more.
there. We've got more. So I'm going to get you to layer on that brie. Perfect.
Yeah. Like just like so.
I love it. Yeah.
Okay.
And that is going to melt. And these don't take long. So if you are bringing them to a friend or family for a great snack or for entertaining, they go under the broiler for literally like 3 minutes.
That's
and
it.
As soon as that brie melts, yeah. Okay. And guess what? I have some melting in the oven right now, so I better get those out for us. All right. Okay. And then, Des, of course, we have to have a final step. Oh, those smell good too.
Wow.
All right, so
we're not done yet.
No, we are not done yet. So I found a delicious local choke cherry jam. So the way we're gonna finish these off is we're gonna add that contrasting element of a little bit of sweet. So choke cherry jam works great. Any kind of a tart jam is beautiful for these.
Neck cherry, pin cherry. There
exactly.
You go. So
Thank you. Okay.
All right.
So just come out of the oven and you just put a dollop of jam in the center.
See, and I was just gonna go spread it all over the whole thing.
Well, you know what? You can do.
Can I do whatever I want?
You can, and I love that contrasting flavor. So yes, let's give it another extra dollop here.
And isn't it just like it's such an attractive.
It is. It's beautiful
pop of color on there.
Yeah, it tastes amazing. Wonderful. So it's as good as it looks. And then we're just gonna finish this off. Dress them up with a little sprig of fresh thyme.
Okay. Fire it on there. Oops.
Perfect.
Okay.
There you go.
Lovely.
Lovely, for sure.
So again, all these neat little recipes, of course, on GreatTastesMB.ca. And do you want to hit your website one more time?
Sure, we've got a new website, Manitoba.ca, where you can find these recipes as well as a also a lot of great cooking tips and chicken storage tips. So we're excited about that.
Look what we made,
they
Gina.
look good. I can't
Look
wait
what
to
we did.
eat these.
Ditto.
They're delicious.
Ditto. So try these out at your next holiday party or wherever it is that you're going. Any place that you're celebrating, and let us know how they turned out. GreatTasteMB.ca, and of course you can find us on social. When we come back, we have another hardworking family, a chicken farming family. When we come back here on Great Taste of Manitoba.
You're watching Great Tastes of Manitoba. Filmed on location at Supper Central at Kenaston Commons.